Okay, well, it took a couple of days before we decided to cut the cake. We were busy outside. So, let's cut it. Ready?
Yep.
Alright. I usually try to go in the middle. Makes it easier. One day, we will get a cutter. Till then, we will hand cut and it'll be crooked, huh? What the inside looks like. Woohoo!
Wow.
Isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
Let's do it like this, and then I cut it in half again.
See, I gotta go call the attorney.
Then we
I
cut
haven't
it.
even called in yet.
And then we cut it again. Let's see, that should be, hopefully, none of us soap makers, and I didn't get it right in the middle. Don't like cutting by hand when it comes to the soap cakes. But that's what makes handmade instead of
Store-bought.
yes. Let's go. Probably. About there. And then we do it again. That's how we make our 16 slices.
Yep.
Alrighty. It's fairly even, but let's take a picture of the slice. You like that?
Got it. I like that a lot.
And believe it or not, it's, do you see how come I put it up so high? So that it looks
Yeah, I
like a piece of cake instead of more like a piece of pie. And we could make it bigger, but it's for packaging. That's probably about it. Alright, won't bore you with the rest, but everybody have a good, peaceful day, and we will talk to you later when we go to make some more soap.
Please subscribe, like, and comment. Bye.
Bye-bye.